What if I told you you could explore Chiang Mai by train in just 3 days? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to make the most out of this scenic journey. Start your adventure at the Bangkok railway station. Book a sleeper train to Chiang Mai. Enjoy the breathtaking landscapes and lush mountains en route. Day 1, arrive in Chiang Mai. Visit the stunning Wat Phra Sing. Stroll through the charming old city. Taste khao soi, the local curry noodle dish. On Day 2, explore the Mesa Elephant Camp. Experience the beauty of nature at Doi Suthep. Wrap up with a visit to the night bazaar. Day 3, explore the vibrant Niman Himan Road. Relax at a local cafe for a perfect end. Did you find this guide helpful? Subscribe for more travel tips!